Can artificial intelligence ever truly replicate human creativity? This question stirs the minds of many. Let's delve into this fascinating topic by first understanding what artificial intelligence, or AI, is capable of in this age. Born from the realm of science fiction, artificial intelligence is now a reality, and it's becoming more advanced and sophisticated by the day. From creating mesmerizing pieces of art to composing enchanting symphonies, AI has started to leave its footprints in the world of creativity. It's not just the arts. AI's capabilities extend to sectors as varied as healthcare, where it's predicting diseases and personalizing treatments, to writing, where it's generating news articles and even scripts. But the question remains, can AI mimic the spark of human creativity? The uniqueness that comes from our experiences, emotions, and perspectives. As AI continues to evolve at a rapid pace, it has started to encroach on an area once considered exclusively human: creativity. From AI-composed music to AI-written articles, it seems like there's nothing AI can't do. It's a brave new world we're stepping into, where creativity, once thought to be the exclusive domain of human intelligence, is now being replicated by artificial intelligence. Let's take a few moments to delve deeper into this phenomenon. Consider the realm of music. We've all tapped our feet to the rhythm of a catchy tune, savored the soul-stirring melodies, and felt the goosebumps rise to a crescendo. Now, imagine that very tune, that very melody, was not composed by a human but by a machine. Yes, you heard right. AI-composed music is already here. With its ability to process vast amounts of musical data, identify patterns, and generate new compositions, AI is creating music that is indistinguishable from that created by human composers. But it doesn't stop at music. The written word, too, is no longer immune to AI's encroachment. AI has been trained to write articles, and not just any articles, but ones that are coherent, engaging, and even persuasive. By analyzing thousands of articles, AI can identify patterns and nuances in language, structure, and content, and can replicate these in its own writing. Then there's the world of visual arts. AI-generated art is making waves, with pieces created by AI algorithms fetching hefty sums at auctions. These aren't just random splashes of paint, mind you. These are works of art that exhibit a sense of style, composition, and emotion. Again, all of this is possible because AI can process vast amounts of visual data, identify patterns, and recreate these in unique ways. So where does this leave us? On the brink of an AI takeover? As we marvel at these feats of AI creativity, it's hard not to feel a chill of apprehension. It seems as if AI is on the verge of replacing human creativity, or is it really so? While AI's accomplishments are impressive, it's important to remember that AI creativity has its limitations. The first limitation we need to discuss is experience. AI lacks the human capacity to draw from a myriad of life experiences. Think about it. The beauty of a sunset, the joy of a first kiss, or the sorrow of loss. These are experiences that shape our minds and souls, fueling our creativity in ways that AI, with its data-driven approach, simply cannot replicate. Next, let's talk about emotions. Emotions are integral to human creativity. They add depth and nuance to our creations, giving them a unique flavor that's impossible to mimic. But AI by nature is emotionless. It doesn't feel joy, sadness, or any other emotion. It can analyze patterns and generate outputs, but it can't infuse its creations with the emotional resonance that's so inherent in human creativity. Then we have intuition, that gut feeling. The ability to make leaps of thought that aren't necessarily supported by data or logic. This is another area where AI falls short. AI is brilliant at crunching numbers and identifying patterns, but it's not designed to make intuitive leaps or think outside the box. It's bound by the parameters of its programming and the data it's been fed. And finally, there's innovation. True creativity often involves coming up with something new, something that's never been seen before, but AI, as it stands today, is essentially a mimic. It can generate a poem that sounds like Shakespeare or paint a picture in the style of Van Gogh, but it's not truly innovating. It's just replicating patterns it's been trained on. It's not capable of producing something truly original. So, while AI has made significant strides in the creative realm, it's important to remember that it still has a long way to go. It's like a parrot mimicking human speech without truly understanding the meaning behind the words. Despite its impressive capabilities, AI still lacks the human touch that fuels true creativity. The debate on whether AI can replace human creativity is far from over. As we've traversed through this exploration, we've uncovered the remarkable capabilities of artificial intelligence, and yet, also, its limitations. It's clear that AI can mimic human creativity, sometimes with a precision that's eerily accurate. It can generate music that tugs at our heartstrings, craft stories that captivate our minds, even create visual masterpieces that leave us in awe. But let's not forget, these are but echoes of human creativity, reflections in a digital mirror. They stem from algorithms trained on vast amounts of data, which themselves are the products of human creativity. AI can create, yes, but it does so within the boundaries defined by us, the humans. Yet this doesn't mean that AI doesn't have a place in our creative landscapes. Far from it. Picture this, an artist and an AI working together, the former providing the creative spark, the latter offering new tools and perspectives. The AI can help the artist see patterns they might not have seen, suggest ideas they might not have thought of, even challenge them to push the boundaries of their creativity. This collaboration between humans and AI could lead to a renaissance of creativity. We could see new genres of music, new styles of art, new narratives in literature. It could transform not just the arts but also other fields where creativity plays a key role, such as scientific research, product design, or business strategy. So can AI replace human creativity? The answer is not black and white. While AI can mimic and even enhance human creativity, it cannot replace the unique human spark that ignites true innovation and creativity. This spark, this essence of what it means to be human, is what sets us apart. It's what enables us to dream, to imagine, to create. And it's this spark that will continue to drive human creativity, no matter how advanced AI becomes.